It's dead. I killed it. I killed the Jeep.
Shit.
We killed it.
Got off?
Yeah. A little too much water. So we got it to the shore, popped the plugs out. It would not roll over. We knew that it was probably dead. So our great minds got together. We formulated a plan to get it towed back to the parking lot, and the trip was over for BabyJeep. Shooting a quick video update. So, moment of truth. Oh shit, fell off the stool. Dennis has his suspicions that the problem may be related to that cylinder, considering it's the one that's full of water. There you go. So, yeah, we're having a great sale. We have plenty of parts here that are still good. We've yet to take off a bad part, but we're making progress, and we now know that the number 6 cylinder is going to be the one that's bad. Okay, end of day 1 of the teardown, and I know it looks bad, but it's probably worse than it looks. But we got the winch bumper off, got the motor all broke down, got the interior all out of it. There's some cleaning to do. A little bit of cleaning to do. We got some really good deal on some used 3.8 liter V6 parts. Time will tell what the deal is with the motor, but looking inside, you can clearly see that cylinder is not happy. That cylinder is not happy. And that cylinder is not happy. That is oil, not water, by the way. We sucked all the coolant water out, all the river water out, and just dumped oil in it to keep it from rusting any worse. And, yeah, so that's where we're at. The sad remains.